Today I'm going to show you how to chop the pork mince. So olden day we don't have a machine, we have to use knife to chopping. So pork mince or beef mince. So nowadays very lucky got a food processor. So now I'm going to show you when you're cooking dumpling, whatever you make something, chopping pork mince. So you can do that. So basically it's 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can hear the hose running. Okay, let's start. The hose a little bit tired, so run a little bit slowly now. Whew, tired. So a little fun. Let's try it. So let's start again. Whew. Whew, really excited. Pork nearly chopped. So hose really tired now, but meat is chopped. Yeah. So pork mince and prawn chop together, beautiful. So that's best way to make homemade dumpling. So you can enjoy with your kids how to make a nice food.